guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm back with another wig review for you all. Today I have a wig named Queen Sofia by It's a Wig. She is a nice kind of blunt bob, and it's also a lace front. It is a hard lace as well, so be mindful of that. The parting space, I had to do a little bit of tweaking to it. I pulled out some hairs from it. This is how much I got from it here. It's a little, not like an extravagant amount, but it's good enough so you guys can see how the parting space looks. And I added a little bit of powder to it as well, so it looks a little bit more, to show up a little bit more. It's a really nice lilac with gray and black at the roots. It's very cute. Look at this side, y'all. This is my favorite side. This is like for one of those kind of Instagram pictures you want to look and have it like a look. But as for wearing it outside, you can just pull it to the side a little bit so it won't get in the way. But it's so nice. Let me show you guys the back of it. And it's perfect for the summertime as well because it's short and it's not too much on your neck or on your face. It's on your face, but once you pull it to the side, we'll be fine. Let me show you guys the stock card. The model has on the blonde version of it, and I have the TTPURPLE, that's what they call it. And it's also heat safe up to 350 to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. And in the back is just saying why is their wigs the best, their lace wigs. So it's not too much in the back there, and it comes in a variety of different colors. It also comes in a nice type of mint green, so you guys will be seeing that version very soon, so stay tuned for that one. But this color is so pretty. I love it, and I love the fact that it's purple too because it's one of my favorite colors, so this is so nice. As for the cap construction, it has 2 combs in the front and 1 in the back with adjustable straps. I don't use the combs because it's doing too much, so it fits me perfectly, and it is so cute. Of the packaging, the parting will look almost non-existent, so you have to do some sort of manipulation to it, but other than that, it's good. And as far as shedding goes, it sheds only a teensy bit, so don't worry about it. Only a little bit of shedding, so it's not too crazy. It is good. And the density of it is also good as well, so it's not too thick. It's nice and lightweight, so that's what I like about it too. But anyway, you guys, thank you so much for watching and tuning in to my videos, and also don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and all of that good stuff. Social media links in the description bar, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care.